This video gives an overview for how to use deconstructing worded questions for Year 2, the more than, less than task family. To trial the task, you'll need to download two files, the PowerPoint file and the PDF file from this page. So we start with a build-up presentation. There's 3 questions that we pick through in detail, and this is the third one of them. Jen has 3 grapes. Jen has fewer grapes than Amy. How many grapes does Amy have? Who has more grapes? Is it Jen? Is it Amy? How do we know? And the children decide who they think it is. And then they can show with counters. So Jen has 3. How many does Amy have? Children represent with counters. And then they can have a look at the pictures. Which picture? Is it the blue one? Is it the green one? Why is that? And we can see Amy has 5 grapes and really interpret that language. So then the next step is task A, which can be printed from page 1 of the PDF file. Children have a look at the 4 questions and they decide which picture correctly represents each question. Afterwards, of course, we have a look and we see which picture does correctly represent each question. So after the discussions around task A, we get to the second part of the build-up task. And again, in this instance, there's 2 questions. I'll show you one of them, where again, children have a look at, they read the question, and then they explain the mistakes and then see the correct answers. And that'll help them when they come to their independent practice. And so for the final phase of the task family, we get to task B and the extend task on the PDF file that can be printed. In task B, children have a look at the minimally different questions and see if they can explain why the answers are different, comparing Ben has 4 pens, Mo has 3 pens fewer than Ben, Mo has 1, to Ben has 4 cups, Ben has 3 cups fewer than Mo, there, where Mo has 7. And again, if children complete task B, they can move on more to the reasoning type prompt, the extend task. Can they explain the differences between those 2 questions? I'd love to know how the task went in your classroom and what can be improved about the task. So if you can fill in the feedback form, the link there, it's really short, and at least one person who fills in the feedback form will be given the complete resource for free when it's finished.